Christmas tree. How richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields